If you've got one of these hobs here and you're struggling to get it to turn on, it could be because the child lock's on. Maybe you're staying at an Airbnb and you've never used this one before. If you watch this now, if you go to turn it on, nothing happens. A little red light comes on here and it beeps, but you can see I can't actually turn on any of the hobs here. All we have to do is we have to hold down this button for a couple of seconds to get rid of the child lock. So press it down now. There you go. Can you hear it? It did 2 beeps there. That now means it's turned off. And if I go to turn it on now, you can see it will now come alive. So for example, if I wanted to put this one on, you can see that it's now going to be working. Yeah. Now, if you want to put the child lock back on, so right now the child lock's off, but you might want to return it so it's back on again. All you have to do is turn it on, and then you need to hold this down for a couple of seconds. And now the child lock is back on. So if we go to turn it off, and then if we go to turn it back on again, you see we're in the same situation we were before, so you can put it back to how it was beforehand. So that's it. It just means your child lock's on. Thanks for watching.